Are you confused about Facebook pages and groups? Which one's better for your business? How do you even create a Facebook page? No worries, I'm Cheyenne, and I'll be your social media guide. And I'm here to answer those questions and show you how to create a Facebook page for your business from your desktop and your mobile device. The time codes for the video are here and down below. Let's get started. As a small business owner wanting to grow your business, the thought of using social media might scare you, especially when it comes to a powerhouse social media platform like Facebook. Which is better for your business, a Facebook page or a Facebook group? Well, a Facebook page is a public profile for your business or brand. This is where you introduce yourself and show the world you're an expert in your niche of business. A Facebook group, on the other hand, is a place for people with the same interests to discuss topics and opinions related to that interest. Groups are more about building community. That might leave you confused on which one you really want to have. Let's put some facts out there about pages. Facebook pages will always be out a group on a Google search. Pages are public, anyone can like them. Groups can be set to private and invite only. Because of this, web crawlers can crawl pages for SEO where groups they tend to ignore. Pages are also what people expect when it comes to a business on social media. Pages will also give you insight to your analytics, and groups don't. All in all, pages are better for businesses and brands. A Facebook page will give you a better discoverability and learn more about your customer base than a group will. Small disclaimer here, I would recommend having both a page and a group if your business or brand is something like a Twitch streamer, convention, and some multi-level marketing businesses. These kind of brands are doing two things. They're building a business and a community. Using the Twitch streamer as an example, your community is also your brand. Having a space for your followers to talk and share and be a part of your brand is super important to your brand. If any of this information has helped you understand Facebook for business better, hit the subscribe button below and click the bell to be notified when I post my new social media guide videos. Now you know why you need a Facebook page. I'm going to walk you through the steps of creating one. First, we'll start with creating a page from your desktop. Facebook desktop has two different versions it's currently running. We'll go through classic Facebook first and then new Facebook. You need a Facebook personal account. If you don't have one, they're easy to set up. Once you're logged in, you should be looking at your newsfeed. Click on Pages. Here you'll see some of the pages I've created and help run. At the top, you'll click the green Create Page button. Here you'll be asked what your page category is. Business and brands is for businesses and brands. Community and public figures is for political people, community outreach groups, HOA communities, sports teams, and things of that nature. Because I know you're a small business, we'll click on Business. Here, you will fill out your business name and category. I've included a link in the description below to a full list of categories Facebook offers. After you've selected the category, it will ask you for your address and phone number. You can select not to show this information, but you still must fill in your address. Click Continue, ask you to upload your profile and cover photos. I'm going to skip past this and cover creating those in another video. This does not have to be done right now and it can be added later. The last thing it's going to ask you is if you want to set up an online booking. This is great if you have a business that has services. If you're a salon, for example, you can set up booking for new clients here. And you're done. Let's now jump over to the new version of Facebook. So here, you're going to look for pages on the left-hand side of your screen. If it's not in the first section, click See More. Then click Create New Page. This is going to start out your new page. As you can see what the page will look like to the right. Here you'll fill out page name, the category your page falls under, your business description, then click Create Page. Once your page is created, you have the option to add your cover photo. This can be done later as well. If you want to do all of this from your mobile phone, you can do that as well. Once you've opened the Facebook app and you're logged in, you can click on the 3 lines in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Pages, click Create, fill in your business name, your business category, then your address. I just used my city and state here. Then add your profile and cover photo. This can be done later. Then click Create. It's that easy. Now you have a brand new Facebook business page and you're ready to start growing your business. Remember, if I've helped guide you through the confusing world of social media at all, make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment about how this helped you out. Subscribe to the channel for more useful guides to social media. Growing your online footprint means growing your business. Have a great day.